Alrighty guys, y'all see that 172,000 miles on this. I think it's a 2011. At any rate, getting ready to screw in some spark plugs, basic tune-up, right? Now, of course, you got to remove the intake and a couple of parts. Remove the coils in order to do the spark plug, in order to gain access to the spark plug. So I got ready to pull off number 2. This is cylinder 2, guys. And lower the hole. Look at all this oil. All right. Oh my goodness, that is. Yeah, I cannot with good conscience just simply screw in new spark plugs and put this back together. Yeah, that's gonna ruin the coil. Matter of fact, look like this coil look different than all the rest of these. Looks like this one. So somebody has been replacing this coil. It's probably giving them problems, probably giving them misfire P0302, and they simply think it's the coil, and they let it ride, seeing this oil leak. Now, in order to fix this, it's a seal in here, spark plug tube seal. The valve cover got to come off and replace the seal. I got a video on that, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Let's get it, man. We're going over to the table. Y'all saw that hashtag short video. All right, we're gonna set that right there. I already blew some of the dirt off of there. Like I say, spark plug tube seals, guys. This is a V6, which means there's 6 cylinder, which means there are 6 spark plugs. Guys, when you do oil leaks, it's a must. It's imperative that you address the PCV system, okay? Yes, guys, make sure your crankcase can breathe properly. PCV stands for positive crankcase ventilation. Always do this when you're doing any kind of oil leaks on any kind of engine, rather. And guys, y'all remember the tool I showed y'all on that last short video? Yeah, so we'll be utilizing the tool. So I'm gonna basically use a punch or a screwdriver to knock the old spark plug tube seals out, and we simply gonna peel the old valve cover off and get those out of there so that we can get these in there. Again, guys, this is a basic video intended for my newbies. I'm finna peel this valve cover out, knock these spark plug tube seals out, and install new spark plug tube seals, and then put this back on the car. So we'll see how far we get or where we go from there, guys. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys, let's go put this thing on. So, at any rate, guys, I hope you got something out of the video. That's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.